Welcome to Go Workspaces, your solution for multi-module development. Go Workspaces is a powerful feature that simplifies the development process when working with multiple related Go modules. Instead of managing complex configurations for each module separately, Workspaces provide a unified development environment. The two key benefits highlighted here are unified development, which allows you to manage multiple related modules in a single workspace environment, and local dependencies, which enables you to work with local modules without the need for complex replace directives. This feature was introduced in Go version 1.18 and has become an essential tool for developers working on larger projects with interconnected modules. Creating your first workspace is straightforward with Go's built-in commands. The primary command for initializing a workspace is go.work init, which creates a new go.work file in your current directory. This file serves as the configuration center for your entire workspace. If you want to initialize a workspace and immediately add an existing module, you can use go.work init, followed by the path to your module directory, such as go.work init./hello. This command not only creates the workspace file, but also adds the specified module directory to your workspace configuration. The initialization process sets up the foundation for managing multiple modules as a cohesive unit. Understanding the go.work file structure is crucial for effective workspace management. The file follows a syntax similar to go.mod files, making it familiar to Go developers. The basic structure includes a Go directive that specifies the Go version, such as Go 1.21. Followed by use directives that list the module paths. Each use directive tells Go which module directories are part of the workspace. For more complex scenarios, you can include replace directives that override dependencies across the entire workspace. The replace directive works similarly to those in go.mod files, but applies workspace-wide, allowing you to substitute dependencies with local versions or alternative packages for all modules in your workspace. Expanding your workspace with additional modules is accomplished through the go.work use command. To add a single module, use go.work use, followed by the relative path to your module directory, such as go.work use./mymodule. This command adds the specified module to your workspace configuration. For multiple modules, you have two options. You can add them all in one command by listing multiple paths, like go.work use./API./client, or you can add them separately with individual commands. The flexibility of adding modules allows you to gradually build up your workspace as your project grows and evolves. Managing your workspace effectively requires understanding key workspace commands. The Go Work Sync command is essential for maintaining consistency across your workspace by synchronizing the workspace build list to all modules. This ensures that all modules in your workspace have consistent dependency versions. The Go Work Edit command provides powerful editing capabilities for your workspace file. You can use Go Work Edit-FMT to format your workspace file, maintaining clean and readable configuration. Additionally, Go Work Edit-use equals ./new allows you to add modules directly through the command line without manually editing the go.work file. The advantages of using workspaces become apparent when comparing traditional development workflows with workspace-enabled development. Before workspaces, managing local module dependencies required complex replace directives in each go.mod file. For example, you might need replace example.com/API, arrow pointing to /API, and similar directives for each local dependency. With workspaces, this complexity disappears. Instead of multiple replace directives scattered across different go.mod files, you simply list your modules in the go.work file using use directives like use./API, use./client, and use./shared. The workspace configuration replaces all those individual replace directives, creating a cleaner and more maintainable development environment. Following best practices ensures smooth workspace operation and prevents common pitfalls. The most important rule is to never commit your go.work files to version control. These files should be added to your git-ignore file along with go.work.sum files. Workspace files are meant for local development only and should not be shared across different development environments. For production builds and continuous integration pipelines, you must disable workspace mode by setting the Go Work environment variable to off before running build commands, such as go work equals off, go build .. This ensures that production builds use the actual module dependencies rather than workspace configurations. Working with multiple modules in a workspace provides streamlined build and execution workflows. To build all modules in your workspace, use the go build .. command from the workspace root directory. This command builds every module defined in your workspace configuration. For running specific modules, you can execute them directly using their relative paths, such as go run /API or go run /client. The workspace automatically handles the dependencies between modules, allowing you to run modules that depend on other modules in your workspace without additional configuration. This seamless integration between modules is one of the key advantages of using workspaces for multi-module development. Testing across multiple modules becomes straightforward with workspace commands. The go test .. command runs tests for all modules in your workspace from the root directory, providing comprehensive test coverage across your entire project. For situations where you need to disable workspace mode temporarily, the Go Work environment variable gives you control. Setting go work equals off before any go command disables workspace mode for that specific command execution. You can also export go work as an empty value to disable workspace mode for your entire terminal session. This flexibility allows you to test both workspace-enabled and traditional module behaviors as needed. Go Workspaces revolutionize multi-module development by providing a unified, simplified approach to managing related modules. The key benefits include unified multi-module development that brings all your related modules under one management umbrella, elimination of complex replace directives that previously cluttered individual go.mod files, seamless local dependencies that work without additional configuration, and a simplified testing workflow that covers all modules with single commands. To get started with Workspaces, follow these essential steps. First, create your first workspace using Go Work init. Second, add your existing modules using the Go Work use command. Third, build and test your modules together using workspace commands. And finally, configure your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines properly by disabling workspace mode in production environments. With these fundamentals, you're ready to leverage the full power of Go Workspaces in your multi-module projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.